Hey guys, today I'm going to show you right way to do lunges. To get into the lunging position, place your feet shoulder width apart. Rear leg at the back, both the knees soft. Do not go front and back. The right movement is down and up. Dig your heel deep into the ground and always press your heel and come up. Change your leg in the same way, keeping your position right, and perform on another leg. Rear leg always on the toe. Inhale while going down, exhale while coming up. If balancing is difficult, then take support. Remember, no to and fro movement. The right movement is down and up. Do not lock your knees while coming up. It creates unnecessary stress on your joint. Dig your heel deep into the ground and always press your heel and come up. Many a times, heel of your front leg gets lifted and the body weight gets transferred to the ball of the foot. That compromises your position. So please press your heel every time when you come up. This is a stationary lunging movement.